How to make sure that your wedding isn't boring. Going to a wedding may be a good, yet it is not generally a delight. The least a lady and groom need is for their wedding visitors to spend the party checking their watches. Here are 7 tips to keep any wedding visitors' yawns under control. Make presentations at the practice. A wedding unites 2 families and a set of companions, which for the most of the part mean a major gathering of individuals who don't know each other, but try and attempt to have a casual conversation. What to do? Welcome relatives and visitors to the rehearsal supper to break the ice and start introducing the individuals who may have somewhat similar hobbies. When the wedding day arrives, your visitors will have met in a more casual environment and might keep the conversation going on. Adhere to the timetable. Nobody anticipates that thing will keep running with military strictness. However, you would prefer not to make your visitors sit idle while you take your formal wedding pictures. This is the place the cocktail hours come in. Set up a parlor or shady yard for your visitors to blend and stock the area with snacks, drinks, and a lot of spots to sit, and even a little music to set the mindset and keep the gathering climate alive. Try not to release visitors hungry. One word: appetizers. Regardless of the fact that you have planned serving a full supper in your party, it is a smart thought to have a snack for your visitors to eat on while they sit tight for you and your new life partner to make your entry. Little empanadas, soup shooters, vegetable sticks, and even seared macaronis and cheddar balls are all incredible alternatives. In the event that you truly need visitors to fully enjoy at your gathering, get transportation for getting them home securely as soon as party is over. A few couples toss their gathering in an wedding call and request off places for their visitors, while others contract a van administrations to keep running for the duration of the night. This additional thought gives visitors the flexibility to unwind without agonizing over returning home securely when the gathering wraps up. Consider your venue. Obviously, your financial plan will be a tremendous element in figuring out where you toss your wedding. However, picking an elegant site can go far toward keeping visitors entertained. Numerous science historical centers will give you a chance to lease their display territories, and zoos regularly have dinner regions with the creatures in full view. Indeed, even a general flat gathering space can be spruced up with sensational style or forte diversion. So make sure to converse with your site chief about your choices. Work your seating outline. There is nothing more uncomfortable than being one couple at a table where you don't know anybody and other people went to secondary school together, especially on the off chance that you can see companions chuckling it up 5 tables away. A very much efficient designed seating diagram is a sans cost approach to ensure your visitors invest energy with individuals they like, or even to set them up with another person. Unwind genuinely. Arranging a wedding can be distressing. However, when the day arrives, everybody will have a ton of fun in the event that you can disregard any little setbacks and let free. Consider it. Do you have some good time at parties where the host is unendingly nervous? To keep your mood happy and cheerful, dole out any late work to a bridesmaid, relative, or your wedding organizer.